kids! Wave! Today we're going to draw and color the A, B, and C, the first three letters of the alphabet. Here comes the letter A. A is for apple. Let's color it bright yellow. Ooh, look at that shiny apple. Yummy! Yum! Now it's time for B. B is for ball. Let's use blue, yellow, and orange. Wow, it's so colorful! And next we have C. C is for cat. Let's make a cute pink kitty with a happy face. Meow! Amazing! We finished A, B, and C. You did a great job! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful drawings. Bye-bye, kids! Wave!